Okay, so I'm revved up about this video in a few ways because this one's exciting to me. What if confidence is already inside you and you've just been missing the signs? Well, today's a special day for me. It's my birthday and I am 62 years old. And I have to tell you, the older I get, the clearer things become. Girls spend their whole lives searching for confidence when most of the signs were already inside them. They just don't know how to read them. So that's what I'm talking about today. The moment where everything from these past videos I've been creating finally just kind of connects. I've spent these videos discussing the whole confidence recipe, what Moxie really looks like, why you kept going even when you felt dumb or thought you were going to be embarrassed, why stillness is not quitting, and why not confident yet is actually a good sign. And how about how confidence begins tiny, quiet shifts. And now we're putting the recipe together and mixing it up because today's video is about recognition, seeing yourself clearly. Maybe, I don't know, maybe for the first time. See, confidence doesn't start with feeling ready. We know that. It starts with noticing your progress. And at 62, I can tell you, most women don't lack confidence because they don't have it. They lack confidence because they don't recognize it. See, us girls, we have been taught to downplay. Oh, it was just luck. It wasn't a big deal. Anybody could have done it. Oh, I didn't do it perfectly. No, let me be blunt here. I want to be very clear. You have done hard things. You have survived things, and you have shown grit, moxie, and critical thinking your whole life, and you just never counted any of it. Confidence isn't missing. Your awareness is. What if your confidence showed up quietly and you've been overlooking every sign? I mean, let's connect the dots here. So grit showed up when you started something you weren't ready for. And moxie showed up when you kept going even though it felt dumb. And stillness showed up when you needed a reset and you didn't quit. Tiny shifts showed up before you even realized that change was happening. But because none of these moments were like dramatic, you just dismissed them. You thought confidence had to feel like a makeover scene from a movie. And here's the truth. I wish every girl knew. Confidence is subtle until it's not. It grows underneath your life until one day you look around and you think, wait. I am not the same person anymore. And I'm not. At 62, here's what I know for sure about becoming confident later in life. You don't age into confidence. You practice into it. You don't earn confidence through perfection. You earn it through repetition. And you don't get confident because life gets easier. You get it because you get stronger. Confidence is not a trait. Confidence is a pattern. And your age doesn't limit your ability to learn that pattern. It actually enhances it. Because you finally see the truth. And you have been capable of this the whole time. This is the moment where the recipe finally makes sense. So let's say it clearly so that no girl misses it. Grit is your starting energy. Moxie is your staying energy. And critical thinking is your guiding energy. Confidence is the result of using all three consistently, imperfectly, and honestly. You don't become confident. You accumulate proof until confidence becomes undeniable. And after these video series, you know how to get the proof. So what does confidence look like on my birthday at age 62? It looks like this. Speaking clearly, knowing yourself, not chasing approval, choosing your pace, not apologizing for my opinions, showing up even when my voice shakes, staying true when I feel uncertain, and wanting to help girls avoid the pain that I lived through, turning my story into a tool for someone else to rise. That's confidence at 62. At 16, at any age, the number doesn't matter. The awareness does. So before you scroll, tell me this in the comments. What's one sign of confidence you can see in yourself now that you didn't notice before this series? It can be tiny, it can be quiet, it can be personal. But confidence grows when you recognize your own rise. And today, we celebrate that for you and for me too.